suka yang ini di ground floor. Cuman gak usah naik lift, 600 seminggu. Halo semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Teh Wati
Dan Brett.
So today we gonna go to Sydney. Jadi hari ini kita mau ke Sydney, mau lihat new apartment.
Yeah, we're looking for a new apartment. Look, it's a beautiful day. It's springtime in Australia. Oh, it's warm again, so nice. So let's go on a road trip. You come with us.
Jadi hari ini tuh spring ya, panas, tapi aku masih agak kedinginan karena ada angin. Jadi hari ini kita mau ke Sydney, mau mencari apartemen baru karena kita mau pindah ke Sydney. Oke, ikutin terus ya perjalanan kita. Stay tune. Juga, tapi sepi banget.
Watch the road.
Jadi di bawahnya kayak ada kafe gitu. Ini bagus penampakannya. Nih. Sekitarannya sepi banget, tapi kayaknya banyak. Ada pizza, ini ada soda. Yeah, this is nice. But where is yours?
Mine's in last week. Oh, look, you're happy. Oh, the master bedroom.
I like it. Because I thought that. How much is this?
It's okay, not as big as ours, but we're in Newcastle, so everything's going to be small.
But I like the bathroom. The bathroom, nice.
Yeah.
How much is this?
It's the same as we pay.
Nah, ini apartemen yang kedua yang mau kita cek. Ini bangunan baru, bagus banget. Kita lihat ke dalam yuk. Ikutin terus, stay tune. Tapi ini bagus banget ini. This one only 6 months.
Yeah. Quite a reception point, okay? All right.
Kamar mandinya 2 tapi kecil-kecil. Oke, ini tempat ketiga.
You're so happy when you look in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Ini besar. Coba di lantai bawah. Lantai paling bawah. I think this is okay. This is big, right?
Yeah, this is good. This is bigger than the one yesterday.
How much is this?
I'm not sure, just ask.
Yeah, this is okay. The bathroom.
Oh, you're happy.
Aku suka karena oh ini buat office. Good. So you have your own room.
Yeah, but my desk won't fit in there.
This is what it is the master bedroom. Tapi aku suka. Aku suka yang ini di ground floor.
No, it was this one, yeah?
Cuman gak usah naik lift. If have barbecue, have space, you know, in outside for party like that.
Yeah, but look, we got out here.
Huh?
There's all this space. Look, you have barbecue, you got this over here.
Yeah. $600 seminggu.
Application process, so would have been both of your names.
Jadi kita itu pilihannya nomor 1 sama nomor 3, yang Allen Street sama yang lantai bawah itu kita suka. Semoga kita dapat salah satu di antara 2 apartemen itu ya teman-teman, doain. Oke, jadi begitulah pengalaman kita cari kontrakan baru. Semoga bermanfaat dan kalian suka videonya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Salam Sampurasun. Sampai ketemu lagi di lain video. Dadah.